Guys, it's Anna again. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do a beachy wave look. It's pretty simple. All you will need is, I like to use a rat tail comb just for sectioning, and then also a clip. Just one clip is fine. And then I will be using Hot Tools. This is a professional one, the Marcel iron. This is a 1-inch curling iron. You could use a regular one with a clamp, which is totally fine. We won't be opening it for the whole entire beach wave look. Alright. Okay, so the first step is going to be to section out our hair. We're going to go ahead and just kind of a little bit below the ear. I'm going to section that out. Clip this out of the way. So I have my... So I'm going to go ahead and brush out this section right in here. You can just go ahead and spray it. I'm going to use the soft lacquer Oribe, and what it is, it's a nice heat protectant. It's also kind of like a hairspray, and it's heat activated. Go ahead and put the barrel down. Be careful not to burn yourself. And it's okay to leave the ends out just because it gives it more of that wavy look. Just about 5 to 10 seconds and you should be good. You can see now. Alrighty, go ahead and take down your sectioning, your hair. You're going to go and section it off. I like to do it just like this. So usually I do 1, 2, and then the top I break it up. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you want to grab about a 1.5 inch section. You can see how that looks. Again, you want to put the barrel like this and just wrap the hair around. And usually I like to stretch out the curl just so it's not so curly. You can see that there. And this is a pretty big section. This one's about 2 inches, and it's totally fine if your sections are smaller or bigger. That'll just make your curls a little bit looser the bigger the sectioning is. I love to show my clients this just because it's so easy. It's something that they can do when they have a blowout and then they need to touch it up the next day, or they want to change it up to go out. It's great. You can see just a nice wavy look. I'm going to go ahead and grab and with this hairspray, I like to spray it as you go. Grab the section in the front and kind of repeat the same thing. Again, spray the hair nice and evenly, comb it through. And I like to put the barrel down and just wrap it around just like that. Again, like I said, you're not opening up the barrel. You're just kind of wrapping it around. So again, how I like to split it on the top, now I have like a horseshoe section right above, right over here, as you can see. And I like to kind of split it in threes, so 1, 2 would be the middle, and this would be the third section. So we're going to go ahead and clip this away. Everybody has their own little variations of doing waves. This is just a way that I like to do it, and I think it's super easy for my clients to follow, and hopefully for my viewers to be able to achieve this at home. Use this one. You could use a regular hairspray or anything that's a heat protectant before you curl your hair would be a great thing to do on your hair. Just to what we have is this top section to split it in the back, right like this. And then depending on where your parting is, I like to wear my hair on the side, so I'm going to keep it on the side. If you want to do it in the middle, then it might be great that you split your hair down the middle, just like so, and then you curl like this, and then you curl the opposite. And then something that I like to do is I like to spray a little bit of hairspray. And run my fingers through it.